Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick video on controlling your Fire Stick with your LG remote. This is an LG TV. I don't have a Fire Stick to it, but as you can see, I can't control my Fire Stick with it. So let's get right into it. This video will show you how you can use your LG remote to control your TV and your Fire Stick. First thing we want to do is we want to hit the home button on our LG remote. It's the shape of a house, and that's going to bring up a menu, pop-up menu. We want to go up to the top and hit the gear icon. You want to hit the gear icon and hit enter, and it's going to bring up some sub menus over to the right. We're going to scroll all the way down until we see all settings. Go ahead and select all settings. Now from here, we simply want to go down into general. Once you are in general, move one space to the right, and we're going to go all the way down until we see SimpLink hdmi-cec. We're going to go ahead and select that. And right here, SimpLink lets you use your LG remote to control other SimpLink enabled devices, such as a Fire Stick, a DVD player, or other home theater systems that are connected to your LG Smart TV by HDMI. When you connect your Fire Stick to the back of your TV, it's usually in an HDMI slot. So I'm going to go ahead and select on. And right here, it says auto power on or auto power sync. You want to make sure that's selected as well. What this will do, when you cut off your TV, this will cut off your Fire Stick as well. So once we have those things selected, we're going to hit the back arrow button. See if you can see that, the back arrow button. And we're going to back up out the menu. Now let's see if our remote controls the Fire Stick. It's moving, simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later.